Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a list here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Microsoft Planner, a list refers to the buckets within a plan where tasks are organized. If you want to delete a bucket or called list within your plan, here's how you can do it. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click My Plans. You would be forwarded to the Planner Hub, wherein just select the plan that you want to delete a list with, all right? Now, I'm going to make sure that you are on the board view because you're not going to be able to delete a list if you are in the schedule or charts, even on the grid view. I want you to click on the board view. This is the list here in Microsoft Planner. These are called buckets. Right here, add a new bucket, all right? You can rename this bucket or list. For example, list 1, right? Say, for example, this is going to be on list 2. List 3, and obviously that's going to be if you want to delete a list, all you're going to do is right click on the more options. That's going to be 3 dots here. Click on delete. All right, all the tasks in this bucket or list will be deleted. You want to make sure you have a backup for that, because once you have deleted a list here, it's going to be permanent. All right, these buckets are displayed as columns across the plans. Right, you want to make sure delete that. And again, you make sure, if prompted, confirm that you want to delete the list or bucket. Now, you want to make sure again that you have a backup of the list that you are deleting, because once you have deleted a list here, it's gonna be permanent. All right, and it's not reversible, and you're not gonna be able to restore it. But of course, if you want to delete a certain list here to reorganize tasks into meaningful lists, you can simplify your project management process when certain stages or categories are no longer relevant. If you want to add a new list here, all you're going to do is very simple. Click the create a new bucket. For example, new list. All right, enter. Add a new one. Say, for example, new list, and so on and so forth. All right, so these are some of the ways for you to be able to delete or remove any unnecessary list or bucket here in Microsoft Planner. And that's it for today's video. Remember that if you want to delete specific tasks within a list, you must delete them individually. See you in the next video.